Hello, I'm Lexi, your Move's lettings expert. The Renters' Rights Act represents the most significant change in the private rental sector for decades. Today, we're focusing on two key areas: rent in advance and how often you can increase the rent. The new legislation prevents landlords from requesting or accepting large sums of rent up front. This change is designed to make renting more accessible and reduce financial barriers for tenants. You'll only be able to accept 1 month's rent in advance, only once the tenancy agreement has been signed and before the tenancy begins. Now, let's talk about rental increases. Rent can only be increased once every 12 months, and the proposed rent must be in line with the current market rate. That means no higher than what the property could reasonably achieve if it were newly advertised. To put an increase in place, landlords will need to serve a Section 13 notice, giving tenants at least 2 months' notice before the new rent takes effect. Tenants can challenge the increase at the first-tier tribunal if they believe it's above market value. The tribunal will decide what the correct rent should be, and any increase only applies from the date of their decision. It cannot be backdated. These changes mean it's more important than ever to have a solid understanding of your local rental market. Landlords will need to keep evidence of market rents, such as comparable listings or valuations, to support any proposed increase. These ought to be collected at the time the Section 13 notice is served. It's not advisable to collect these after the tenant makes a challenge, as this questions the landlord's credibility in any dispute. Now is a good time to review your current rent level to make sure you're neither overcharging nor undercharging compared to similar properties in your area. While you absolutely can continue to increase rents, it can only happen once per year and must reflect the real market value. The Renters' Rights Act means there is a lot more for landlords to think about. You will need to be able to demonstrate existing market values, so it's important for you to be organised and prepared for these changes. And it's a lot to handle on your own. Our expert lettings teams are experienced in navigating legislation and have the necessary technology to record and document evidence, and they will keep you informed, compliant, and confident. It pays to be with your move.